Hello everyone, this is the next phone of Lava X series, the Lava X3. X3 written on the box and Lava and hashtag proudly Indian on the sides. On the back side some specs are highlighted, and yes guys, remember that this is an entry level smartphone, so look at it according to that level. So let's take a quick look at the box and see what it has to offer. First of all, we get a transparent case and a card of free service at home. I really like this service at home work of Lava. And after that we get the device, and finally we get 10-watt adapter and type A to C charging cable. If I talk about the back side of the phone, it comes in glossy finish with plastic build. Power button and volume buttons are on the right side. At the bottom we get speaker, type C port, microphone and headphone jack. On the left side you get triple slot SIM tray. At the back side we also get dual camera setup, fingerprint scanner and Lava branding. So now I set up the phone. The phone comes with 6.5 inches HD plus IPS display, and it is a 60Hz display. The display is quite good according to its price. The display bezels are small and it has a water drop notch. Display brightness in the indoor is also good, and for the outdoor is decent. For performance, MediaTek Helio A22 12nm processor has been given in it. It is not an advanced processor, so you can use it for normal gaming and normal work. It has 3GB RAM, 32GB eMMC type storage, and we can expand the storage up to 512GB. Talking about the battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging adapter in the box. We get both fingerprint and face unlock option in Lava X3. Fingerprint unlock works good. Talking about OS, Android 12 Go has been loaded in it and no bloatware is installed in it. So totally we will get stock Android experience. And one more interesting thing about this phone, Google Dialer is not available in this phone, so you will be able to anonymous call recording. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The Lava X3 comes with dual camera setup, 8-megapixel main camera, VGA sensor for depth sensing and a flashlight, and on the front a 5-megapixel camera for selfies. You can see the camera samples. This is an entry-level smartphone, so you cannot expect a very good camera setup. Its camera is good according to the price point. So if you are looking for a clean UI without ads, with good performance and good design smartphone under 7000, so Lava X3 is a good option for you. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.